जल ही जीवन है, वाटर इज़ लाइफ। आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि हम सब ने ये कहावत कई बार सुनी है, but very few realize its importance. This thought is further highlighted by a beautiful quote by W.H. Auden, who said, "Thousands have lived without love, not one without water." And every year 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day. And this day celebrates water and focuses on the importance of fresh water. The underlying message, it tries to reaffirm the fact that water management and sanitation measures are key to poverty reduction, economic growth, and environment sustainability. And this 2022, the focus is on groundwater, which is an invisible resource with an impact visible everywhere. So let's understand the value of water and take steps to conserve it. Believe me, every drop counts. So start saving it now. Because you are not judged by what you don't do when you are gone, but you are judged by what you do while you are here. Nature has millions of things to inspire us, and one of them is water. It inspires us to keep working, keep going, keep flowing, finding our paths through stones and pebbles, through life's problems and challenges, and to emerge victorious in the end. And the only requirement is that we need to keep walking, keep trying, keep believing, and keep trusting. As Bruce Lee said, empty your mind, be formless, be shapeless like water. If you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put water in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. So let's get inspired by this wonderful gift of nature. Let's be simple yet sophisticated. Let's be calm yet have the power to destroy any obstacle that comes in the way of our progress and the steps that we are taking to achieve meaningful goals in our life. So let us all stand united to save and conserve this irreplaceable gift of Mother Nature, the lifesaver and the life giver, water. And thank you so much for watching.